All right, let's make the easiest beef udon you've ever made. Guys, and you can do this in under 15 minutes. For the broth, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Add 2 teaspoons of your bonito soup stock, and then bring that to a simmer. I use a brand called Hondashi. Now this will give the soup its umami flavor. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and then 2 teaspoons of sugar. In another boiling pot of water, throw your udon noodles in for 3 minutes. Cut some thin strips across the grain of your favorite steak. Splash of oil. Now lay your steak in. Don't forget to give your steak a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Go ahead and drain your noodles in a colander and throw your enoki mushrooms into that stock. Now these enoki mushrooms aren't a necessity, but they're gonna give your broth a nice light mushroom taste, and they also just taste really good in soup. Noodle, steak, toppings, broth, and that beautiful runny yolk. That broth is simply amazing. Guys, you can't beat that. That is true comfort food.